The member-led board of directors and staff of Associated Electric Cooperative, your local cooperative's power generator, is dedicated to putting members first. That's why a strategy using a balance of generation resources to produce reliable and affordable electricity makes so much sense. Aggressive climate change proposals from Washington, D.C. challenge a balanced, diverse mix of generation by moving quickly toward carbon reduction goals, despite three key obstacles. These obstacles, technology, transmission, and time, must be addressed to ensure reliable and affordable electricity is maintained for those who rely on it every day. First, proven technology does not exist today to reliably replace all fossil fuel plants with renewable generation and battery storage. While quickly adding large volumes of renewable generation may sound good, too much too soon has the potential to compromise reliability and raise the price of electricity. Second, the high-voltage transmission system has been designed and used for years to meet member energy needs, not for a future where energy from intermittent sources like renewables replaces consistent electricity sources. Upgrading the network of transmission lines that serve as the superhighway for moving large volumes of electricity will be expensive and take time, the third key component in an energy transition. Time will be needed to develop, test, and implement technology to make the transition a reality, while transmission upgrades won't happen quickly or without significant expenditures. Associated's time-tested and proven strategy of diverse electricity generation means real benefits for members today. Reliable, affordable, responsible. Associated Electric Cooperative. We power your local electric cooperative, always.